Assalamu alaikum students. Today we start exercise 2.5 in which we link between set theory and logic. First of all, truth set of negation P. Truth set of negation P will be evidently consist of those values of the variable for which P is false. They will be member of P dash the complement of P. It means negation of P in set theory is equal to complement of P. Second one is PRQ. Truth set of PRQ consists of those values of the variable for which P is true or Q is true. R means anyone is true, not both. Therefore, the truth set of PRQ will be P union Q. It means PRQ is equal to P union Q. Next is P and Q. Truth set of P and Q will consist of those values for the variable for which both P and Q are true, and it convert in intersection. Next is conditional statement P then Q. P then Q is equivalent to negation of P or Q. Therefore, truth set of P then Q will be P union Q. P complement union Q. Remember it. P then Q is equal to negation P or Q. Negation means complement, R means union. It becomes P complement union Q. Next is biconditional statement. It is equivalent to P is equal to Q. If both are same, the answer is true. Next is a note. Truth set of a tautology is the relevant universal set, and that of an absurdity is the empty set. With the help of the above result, we can express any logical formula in set theoretic form and vice versa, and then we solve some example for this. Now, first example, in De Morgan's law, we convert in logic. Complement A union B complement convert to negation. Here place A by P, union by R, and B by Q. Right hand side, A by P, complement by negation, intersection by and B complements negation Q. Now we have two elements P and Q. For P, first and second value true and third and fourth are false. For Q, first is true, false, true and false. Remember this combination. And then we find negation of P, negation of Q. In negation of P, we change the sign, true into false and false into true. And negation of Q, same like that, we change the sign, true to false, false to true. Then P or Q. In R, if anyone is true, answer is true. If both are false, answer is false. it means last combination is false and above 3 are true. Then its negation, it becomes false, 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 and then true. And then we find negation of P and negation of Q. And of negation of P and negation of Q in AND, if one value is false, answer is false. If both are true, answer is true. We apply on negation P and negation Q in third and fourth column. Negation P and negation Q, apply AND. Conjunction, first term, both are false, answer is false. Second is false and true, answer is false. Third one is true, false, answer is false. And then both are true, answer is true. In last column and second last, both values are same, therefore the given condition is true. In next example, we have distributive property intersection over union. We place A by P, B by Q, C by next new element, R, intersection by and union by R. This is its when truth table. Now you have three statements, P, Q, and R. For three elements, we arrange 8 values like that. In P, first 4 are true, second 4 are false. For Q, first 2 are true, then 2 false, then 2 true, then 2 false. For third R, 1 is true and false, true and false, true and false, like that. And then we find left hand side Q, R. We apply OR between Q and R. In R, if both are false, answer is false, otherwise answer is true. Then on column 4 and 1, we apply AND. In AND, if both are true, answer is true. If anyone is false, answer is false. Now we have column 5. For right hand side, we first develop column 6. P and Q. We apply AND on P and Q. In AND sign, if both are true, answer is true. If anyone is false, answer is false. In column 7, we apply P and R. We apply AND sign on P and R. Then combine 6 and 7 column with sign R. In R, if both are false, answer is false. So from column 5 and 8, we prove the given condition. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Next we start exercise. Here is first question, like De Morgan's law, same like example. I think easy for you. Same we have done in example. Next here is associative law. All are the union sign and are replaced by OR sign. 3 elements, we have 8 values, same like example. and solve step by step. First we solve P R Q, then P R Q R R, then Q R R, and then P R Q R R. At the end, last column and third last are same, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Same associative law with intersection sign, we replace it by and. Same like previous question, but here is and. In and, if both are true, answer is true. If anyone is false, answer is false. Last is distributive property, like example, we first convert it in logic form and then find its truth table step by step, same like in example. Okay student, do all questions and examples. If you have any problem, contact with me. Allah Hafiz.